Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video we will see how to change name on BIP. I wonder why you want to know how to change name on BIP. It is because when you created your account you accidentally did a spelling mistake and now you want to correct it. Or maybe you just want to change the name written on the BIP profile for any reason. So whatever the reason it could be for you to change your name on BIP Messenger. In this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed the BIP app from Google Play Store or App Store, and once it get installed make sure you have already created your account on it and right now you're logged in with that account. After you're done with all that, just simply tap on the icon of the BIP to open it. Once it get open, you will see its interface. This is how the BIP app looks. We have options all over the screen. Right now, we are in the message section where all the chat appear. Along with that, in the middle, we have an option, this one. If you click on this, all the call links will appear. So here we have to go to this third option, which is more. Once you click on it, you could see on the top it is written more and it has different options. Every option here is different from each other. So from all these options you could see we have our name and our bio and a profile icon. Now the profile name here is Adam and we will see how we can change it. So to change it you just have to simply tap on the name and then your profile will open. Here we have three options. You can upload your profile picture, you can change your name and you can change your bio. Right now we have to click on the existing name to change it. So for that just click on Adam and then you have to remove the name and you can type the name that you want. You could either enter your real name, you could enter your full name, or maybe you can just type your first name and you can type whatever you want to type. It is not a professional messenger, so you can type whatever you want to type and then can change it later on. That's the best thing about the BIP app, that it allows you to change your name whenever you want. There's no limitation to it. There's nothing like that you can change the name after 10 days, after 1 month. You can change it whatever you want. You just have to keyboard it letters and then type whatever you want to type in the name. Once you are done typing the name, what you have to do is you just have to simply click on anywhere on the screen, and after that what you have to do is it will get saved. You don't have to go to any other option, you just have to get back and the name will be uploaded to your profile like that. So if you follow all the instructions that are being done in this video, you can easily also change your name on the BIP app. So here as you can see, when I just got into chats and when I just got back into the more section, the name has been successfully saved to the name that we just entered. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change your name on BIP app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.